And the Checka Pro Radio Show starts now.
I'm taking what they're giving because I'm working for a living.
Hey, everybody. It's Checka Pro Joe. Welcome to my show, the Checka Pro Radio Show. Hey, you know, if you have a garage door, which is many of us, you may have more than one, you may have multiple. I've got a couple. You really want to stay tuned to this hour of the Checka Pro Radio Show. My good friend Cody Johnson is joining me here from Garage Door Doctor. Yes, you've heard him here before. A good friend of mine and a great business owner, even technician. He may even be coming out to your house to say hello one day. Speaking of hello, Cody. How are you?
Hey, Joe. Thank you. I'm grateful to be here.
I say great technician. I don't think you do a lot of work on the doors anymore, but you know something about them.
I know every once in a while I know something. So don't know what it is, but I know something.
You've got a great team over there at Garage Door Doctor. Your father started the company back in 1987 serving Houstonians.
Yes, absolutely. Once my dad and my mom had my brother, Ryan, he needed some more hours from the mechanic shop. They couldn't get it for him. So he started a garage door business, and he was doing this on the side as he was trying to grow his own mechanic career. And this took off, and he left the mechanic side. He let that go. So
it's amazing what happens in just a few short decades. Now, those decades are your life, but for your father, in all fairness, life goes by quickly, and he's really achieved a lot. The family gets to work in the business. You've got great team members. Over the past couple of years, things have really changed at the business. You've got a great new brand look. Congratulations on what you've done with the business and how you serve your neighbors and fellow Houstonians.
Oh, well, thank you very much. And it really starts with my dad's sacrifice that he made. You know, he used to run Katy Youth football out in West Houston, and he always made every practice. He always coached me and my brother. But I'll tell you, other than the football practices in the Katy Youth basketball, you know, we didn't get to see him much because, you know, when we go to school, he was already gone to work. When we come home from school, a lot of times he wasn't there. And he really sacrificed for the family to have a great life. And he's done that, and he's still doing that to this day. Thankfully, you know, Houston has been great to us, and our business has grown. We've been able to add great teammates and coworkers to us. The talent that we have working for us is amazing. From our people that answer the phones, our CSRs, Patty, Debbie, Nicole. We have a whole team of CSRs. They're friendly. They answer the phone with a smile. They care about the client. If there's any issues that come up, they'll call me or send me a text or email me. Hey, we need to take care of an issue. To our technicians, our fully trained technicians that go to the houses, you know, the whole goal is to show our clients that we actually care. This isn't, you know, hit it quick and then leave. It's actually show that we care about them and take care of their garage doors, not just for now, but for now and for the future. Like, you don't know when you kind of get started. You go out there and let's just say a roller's broken, and you go out there and you change a roller. No, you should have changed all the rollers. But on top of that, you should check the rest of the door system out. And that's why we actually came out with the 29-point safety check, because, you know, if the springs are old, the client needs to know. We used to not know to tell them that. It wasn't, you know, nothing mischievous or anything. We didn't know. We came here to fix this, and it broke, and it was broken. We fixed it, and that's it. And 3 months later, the client calls us back. They're happy with us. They're not mad or anything. They understand, but now we know a better way of operating that's better for the client, because it's very inconvenient for them to get out there and the door's broken and they can't get to work, they can't get to the hospital, they can't go to the airport, and it always happens at the worst time possible.
Always, doesn't it?
And we can solve all those issues up front, and if not, we can build you quotes for later. But I would like to mention, you know, now one thing that's kind of different for us. We had technicians. We still do. We've added a maintenance tech that helps take care of any warranties that we might have, or say the husband wasn't home when we installed the opener, but they want us to help program their car or their Wi-Fi or something like that. We can send Isaiah, our maintenance tech, out to do that. And we've been able to, because Houston's been so great to us, we've also been able to add an install wing. Our technicians were the installers, but now we've been able to add to our team great coworkers that may never have been able to have a chance to be with us. And so now we've got Cameron and Alex and Aaron on our team, and we're growing that. As a matter of fact, I'd like to mention here, we are hiring. If any of our clients would like an opportunity to work for us, they can go to apply, the number 2. So apply to gdd.com. If your kids, if you're military, please join us. I mean, apply for us. If you got kiddos and you're like, hey, kids, get out of my house and go get a job.
There you go.
Hey, come apply for us. So we're looking for people with great energy. We're looking for teammates that love people, love to connect, and love to do good, hard work. And if that's something that interests y'all, go to that website.
That's good. If you're looking for a great career, I do know the Garage Door Doctor family well. Literally started off as a family business, still pretty much a family business. I know your brother, your dad, your mom, the whole crew. It's fantastic. So we're not going to go to break now, but when we do after the break, I want to talk about the 29-point safety inspection. Before then, I want to talk about the great deal that you have brought, because you always bring a great offering to my listeners. A free garage door inspection. Everyone should have their garage door inspected, even if it's a brand new home. You didn't have Garage Door Doctor put it in, most likely. It was probably the builder, and honestly, we won't get into it in too much detail, but in that type of business, they just get generally the lowest bid, and there are people who just come to install doors. And the doors are builder-grade doors usually. There's just a lot to be looked at. So why don't you talk a little bit about your offer today, a free garage door inspection. What are they getting with it? Are they getting that 29-point safety inspection?
Yes, they're getting that 29-point safety inspection.
Oh.
So if you've heard your door is noisy, loud, perhaps it's creaking on the way up or down, maybe the opener chain has a bunch of slack on it, or it seems to be struggling. It's just something's not right. That's usually your clue. Something isn't actually right. Something's broken or wearing down. Generally, sometimes all it needs is just some oil. But we can come out there. So normally we would charge like a $39 trip fee and then plus labor. In this case, it would be free of charge to come out. We'll do a 29-point safety check. If you need anything, we'll present options. You can do it or do nothing. That's up to you. We're not here to pressure you into anything. Our job is to let you know what's a safety concern. And if you choose to do it, great. If you don't, we'll still part ways with friends. My goal is to put a sticker up and you call us whenever you need us.
Something else I'd like to add is you have a special deal here for a lube and tune with new rollers. The regular price is $325. Now only $170, and included in that is the free garage door inspection, right?
Correct.
So for only $170, you're going to get a lube and tune. You're going to get the inspection and new rollers. Only 8 of my listeners are going to get this today here on the radio program. Tell everybody, Cody, what the lube and tune is and why it's important to have that, and the new rollers. Why would someone need new rollers?
Yeah, great question. So the reason for the lube and tune is, and again, we'll do the inspection. We'll tighten up the screws. We're going to weigh the door. We'll get into that maybe later. But why would somebody need rollers? So if you're opening your door and your door sounds like a tank rolling down the tracks, that's usually going to be your rollers. Okay, so there's 3 different types of rollers out there. There's metal rollers with ball bearings, and when the ball bearings go, you start hearing tick, 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 tick. Okay, there's nylon rollers that don't. I call them plastic bearingless rollers, is what I call them. So they're plastic rollers that don't have any ball bearings. These are builder grade. I hate to say this. This is builder grade trash. Okay. So it works for the builder. The builder's warranty is generally 1 year. After that, it's your problem. That's how you buy this big, expensive investment of a home, and they put sometimes the lowest quality stuff in. Not everywhere, but where they can save some money, they will. So anyways, these bearingless rollers, they don't roll. They just slide. So if they're not rolling, they just slide. It's basically like driving down the freeway with your emergency brakes on.
Ooh.
They start squaring off. The roller, because it's plastic, can just kind of get brittle and break. So if you have those, you automatically need new set of rollers. And then you have the ones that we put on, which are nylon-coated rollers that have ball bearings, and there's different grades of those, of course. It's a great hybrid of the both. So it shouldn't be ticking a bunch. It shouldn't be ticking at all. Plus, you don't have metal on metal noise. So it's a way to quiet down the door, make it smoother, and operate better for both the opener and the spring system, which should add life to everything.
Okay, so this is awesome. 8 of my listeners are going to get a no-obligation free garage door inspection today. I'm going to give out the phone number in a moment. A lube and tune with new rollers, not for the $325, but all of it for only $170. Here's the phone number, 281-343-3632. Again, 281-343-3632. Cody can only give away 8 of these today to my listeners on the Check a Pro radio show. He can't give this to everybody every day from all of his sources. He comes on the program today. I know Cody well. I know his father, his whole family, and I ask him as a favor to you, my listeners, to have an offer that's fantastic. It's a 29-point safety inspection, free with no obligation, a lube and tune with new rollers, not $325 ordinarily, only $170 for only 8 of you listening today. Again, Cody's number at Garage Door Doctor is 281-343-3632. You can only get it today on the radio program by calling his phone number at 281-343-3632. We're going to be giving out this phone number throughout the program today, Cody. So if you're not in a good position right now, some people are driving, and when you're driving, I suggest you continue to drive. Don't worry, we will be talking about garage doors for the rest of the hour here on Check a Pro Radio, and we'll be giving out the phone number as well. But for those of you who are ready to call right now, it's 281-343-3632. The break will be coming up shortly. And when we come back from the break, I do want you, Cody, to go into some detail of that 29-point safety inspection. You've talked about it before, and 29 points is a lot of points. And for $170, okay, to get the lube and tune, new rollers, and the free garage door inspection is fantastic. But the no obligation free garage door inspection for 29 points, oh my gosh, that alone is fantastic.
Absolutely. It's a health check of the door.
It is. Okay, Cody's number, 281-343-3632, to be one of the 8 listeners today to get this free garage door inspection. 281-343-3632. Cody and I will be right back right after this, right here on Check a Pro Radio. Stand by. Check a Pro Joe here for my friends at Garage Door Doctor. Since 1987, Cody and his father, his brother, his mother, and his entire family have been serving you here in Houston. Get your free garage door inspection. It's a 29-point no-obligation inspection. Call now, 281-343-3632. That's 281-343-3632. For a limited time, take advantage of their lube and tune with new rollers. Regular price $250, but for my listeners today, only $170. Call now, 281-343-3632. That's 281-343-3632.
Missed part of today's radio show? No problem. Go to checkapro.com to hear the podcast of all our radio programs. Checkapro.com.
Winter has arrived. I've heard that we're going to have a cold winter here in Houston. After the hottest summer on record, we need to be prepared for that next big freeze. Check a Pro Joe here. I have a solution for your high utility bills this year. It's very simple. More attic insulation. My friends from Easy Attic Solutions can solve your comfort problems, and it all starts in the attic with more insulation. Just call my friend Adam Greer at 281-936-0559. That's 281-936-0559, or simply go to EasyAtticPros.com.
Hi guys, Checker Pro Joe here. Do you have gas lights, a gas grill, or outdoor fire features? Let me introduce you to my friend, Russell Metzler from Gas Product Services. Russell can help with all of your gas needs. Call Russell for an annual tune-up. If your flames are diminishing or flickering, it's time to have them serviced. From Katy to Baytown, the Woodlands to Pearland, Gas Product Services can help. Call my friend Russell today at 281-408-4154. That's 281-408-4154.
Back here on the Checker Pro Radio Show. I love what I do. What do? I help you, the homeowner here in the greater Houston area, find pre-qualified home service professionals. Got one of them with me, Cody Johnson from Garage Door Doctor. We've checked his insurance, licenses, and references. By the way, in the state of Texas, your garage door expert does not need to have a license, and that's why it's important to make sure you go to Check-A-Pro to find the pre-qualified contractor, whether it's air conditioning, roofing, and so forth. Cody, I'm going to quiz you.
All right.
You may not know this, and you shouldn't have to know this because you're not Check-A-Pro Joe. Of the major services, home services that people would get for their home, how many of them require a license in the state of Texas? In other words, Austin, Texas, requires a state license. I'll give you the first one for air conditioning.
Okay.
What are some other ones?
I would think electrical.
Yep.
Well, I know electrical, plumbing.
Yep. Nope.
Roofing? No.
No.
Okay.
No.
Okay. So that's shocking.
Uh-huh.
Let's see. What else do you got? Would pool builders?
Nope.
What else is there?
Pest control,
Okay.
because of chemicals. Irrigation.
Okay.
Irrigation wasn't always. Back when we started Check-A-Pro back in 2005, it wasn't. It wasn't but maybe 5 years later that something passed in Austin where it was now then required for someone who's putting a sprinkler system in, for instance, to be licensed to do that. Most contractors that do work in your home are not required in the state of Texas. Now, other states, they do require. It's state by state. But pool builders, roofers, remodelers, the handyman, go down the list, they are not required to have insurance or licenses.
That's concerning.
It's
Wow.
crazy.
I honestly just thought it was like just garage doors and maybe landscaping. I didn't realize that. Wow.
No. And so that being said, you want to make sure that you have a qualified company such as Garage Door Doctor coming out to your home. Of course, you guys are insured, but you do run into some people in your business who may not be insured.
Well, yeah, absolutely. And I think, in general, we all start somewhere, right? And you don't know until you don't know. But a few ways that you can tell on that. I can tell you, like our guys, what's our competitive advantage is basically what the question is. And it really comes down to the technician. We send our guys through training. They literally go down to Phoenix and they train for a full month. So we do ride-alongs for a month to 2 months in Houston, where we have our lead tech just kind of coaching them up, showing them what we do. And then we send them over to Phoenix and they train in a state-of-the-art facility. It's got like 15 or 20 doors on it. And they'll wind springs, they unwind springs, the door goes off tracks, they fix that, they install openers, they do ride-alongs while they're there with our partners there. And it really gets them a great experience onto what day in and day out the life of a technician or an installer or a maintenance tech it is. And they're able to, we're able to spot if there's issues. We're testing these guys all the time because these are now, these guys are my best friends, but when we go into a customer's house, we're a guest in someone else's house. And we got to make sure we're going to test them. Or do they have the temperament for this? Of course we do, which if that's the case, what you're saying on the rest of Texas or the other industries, then we already know this. My guys are background checked. My guys are drug tested. If they get in a wreck, they're drug tested that day. Okay, so we're that serious about that. We come out with a fully stocked van or truck. Our goal is to be able to do 95% of the work. There's always some special orders and maybe some special cut torsion springs and stuff, but we should be able to do 95% of what's needed same day, so we're not inconveniencing the client. We have a wrap vehicle, so our vehicles are going to be marked. You're going to see Garage Door Doctor on that. A lot of our competitors don't. A lot of our competitors don't have a fully stocked vehicle. And here's the concerning thing. A lot of times you hire the company somewhere on Google, back when the yellow pages existed, page one. They don't much, I guess they still exist. They don't exist much now. But you would hire somebody, and somebody would come out in an unwrapped vehicle, no markings. Their shirt has holes in it, no company logos whatsoever. And what's happening is that's more than likely a subcontractor. So you've hired a company who hired another guy who's calling himself a garage door company. What that means is the person you called, you intended for you to come out to your house, isn't even coming out to your house.
No, they just dispatched a third party.
Yeah, they dispatch a third party. There's no inventory on their vehicle because the original partner or the original party that you called doesn't want to invest in them. And so if they don't want to invest in the company that comes out to your house, that means they don't trust them. They don't trust them with $10,000 to $20,000 of inventory on their vehicle, yet they sent them as a guest to your house. Not background checked, by the way, not drug tested. And that's a deep concern. This is, as a matter of fact, one of the reasons you started CheckAPro.
Yeah.
So, but on top of that, so fully trained, fully insured, licensed, bonded, all of that. The other things we do is we're not just offering contractor grade stuff anymore. If you want us to compete with Chuck in a Truck pricing, we can get close to it, but we are a premium home service company, and we've got better grade stuff that most of the people in our industry are not aware of. And even if they are, you have to buy it in such bulk that they can't get it. The supply houses don't do that. The supply houses are focused on builder grade, contractor grade. So we have Max Life springs that are warranted for lifetime. They're so much bigger than the normal contractor one. We've got, 5-year warranty springs. We've got contractor grade too, if you want that. On our rollers, we will never carry the bearingless rollers, okay? But we've got nylon rollers that have 11 ball bearings. We got some rollers that we call Max Life rollers, and they will never go bad ever again. And so our job is to present options to the client, let them choose whatever they want, whatever in their budget and whatever they want or need.
Yeah, absolutely. I'm going to give out your phone number. We haven't done that in a while.
Did I talk too long?
No, it's okay. We want to hear your story and what you have to offer. Cody's number at Garage Door Doctor, 281-343-3632. I'm going to give out that number again shortly, but the reason why I'm giving out the phone number is because Cody has brought a great offer. It's really offers to you, my listeners, today here on CheckAPro Radio. And that is a free garage door inspection. Absolutely free. There's no obligation. Call right now to get that. There's only 6 left. We started off at the beginning of the program with 8. There's only 6 left. It's only available here on this program today. 281-343-3632. That's 281-343-3632. If you're driving and you can't take the number down, don't worry. We're going to be giving it out again shortly, but there's only 6 of these left. So I said there's a free garage door inspection, no obligation. But wait, there's more. There is a lube and tune with new rollers. Cody was just explaining the difference in rollers, and Cody and his team at Garage Door Doctor only supply the best products out there. None of this junk. It's all great stuff. Be careful what you buy from other garage door companies. Ordinarily, the lube and tune with new rollers would be $325. Today, only $170, and only 6 of my listeners are going to get it. 281-343-3632. One more time, 281-343-3632. Before we get into some nitty-gritty of 29-point inspection, I want to talk about the weight of the doors. Why do you guys weigh the door?
Oh, good question. So we weigh the door because the door should weigh less than 5 pounds on the ground. Your opener, everybody thinks the opener is the muscle of the door. It's going to lift the big, heavy door. It's not. It's actually the spring system. And there's, 3 different types. You have extension springs that go along the side of the tracks. I call that kind of the old-fashioned kind that you'd find on small doors. Those things, once they're on, they're easy to put on. But once they're on, it's like a loaded gun. And when it pops, it can fly and somebody can get hurt. Then you have springs, which are a little bit more common, that are up above the garage door now that you can actually see. Possibly the painter painted them, but usually they're a black torsion coil.
Can I stop you for a
sure.
sec? The painter painted them. Now, I don't know a lot. Should the painter be painting them?
No.
Okay.
No, they should have taped it off.
Okay.
They should tape off the entire door, basically, at least the spring system.
The spring should not have paint on it.
No, it should not. So
Okay. All right. Go ahead.
yeah, no problems. So you threw me an audible there. But anyways, so you have what's called a torsion spring, which is up above your door. You'll have 1 or 2 black coils on a big door, say a double car garage door. It should have 2 coils. A lot of times the contractors and builders, they're not purposely choosing one spring. They're choosing the lowest price. So a lot of times you'll have a single spring up there. Well, that's an issue. The spring is going to break other parts quicker, and the spring isn't going to last as long. It's supposed to have 2. The other type of spring system is the springs that you can't see. It's inside of a pipe up above your door. That's called a torque master. But anyways, the reason we weigh the door is the door should be 5 pounds or less so the opener can operate correctly. Let's take a Wayne Dalton torque master, if I'm going to go a little bit more specific here. This door is hollow. It's got expandable foam. There's no real metal inside of it. So where the opener attaches to, it's screwed into the thinnest layer of metal, like a Coke can, okay?
Oh, goodness.
It's screwed into, basically think of a Coke can thickness of metal. And if the door is getting stuck either because the rollers are sticking or the spring is heavy, the door is heavy, that opener arm is just going to rip right out of the door.
It's going to tear. I can picture because I know what a Coke can looks like when it's torn.
Exactly. It'll just rip right out. Now you're done. You're changing a panel, the whole door, or it all because they didn't have the proper equipment in to begin with. So the purpose of weighing the door is let's make sure this thing is working smooth. It's something that you should be doing every year. We should be doing a tune-up and an inspection every single year. It's a safety inspection. So hopefully that answers you.
No, absolutely. So you want to make sure that your door weighs the proper amount, and what that means is it's not the actual door weight, it's the weight of the door with the proper spring tension.
Yeah.
Right? So the door itself weighs more than 5 pounds. It's how it's being weighed at the time. And this is something you can actually, test yourself. You can release your door from the opener with that string, with that rope above you, and it'll go clunk real quick, right? And if everything's operating right, you shouldn't have any problem. Shouldn't be any damage. You shouldn't get injured. But if you do that and for some reason you can't get the garage door up or it came crashing down.
One thing, Joe, I'd like to mention, when you're mentioning like pull that red cord down, I need to make sure that when we pull that red cord down that the door is already down, okay? So if we pull the red cord down when the door is up and the spring is broken, or let's say the door weighs 15 to 20 pounds. You say, 15 to 20 pounds, that's no big deal on this big moving wall. It actually is. So if I disengage it by pulling that opener red cord down when the door is up, the door can potentially fall down like a guillotine.
Oh, gosh.
Like a guillotine. Okay?
All right, hey, after the break, let's continue
Absolutely.
this. The guillotine. 281-343-3632 is Cody's number. 281-343-3632. Call to get a free door inspection. We'll be right back right after this.
Checker Pro Joe here for my friends at Garage Door Doctor. Since 1987, Cody and his father, his brother, his mother, and his entire family have been serving you here in Houston. Get your free garage door inspection. It's a 29-point no-obligation inspection. Call now, 281-343-3632. That's 281-343-3632. For a limited time, take advantage of their lube and tune with new rollers. Regular price $250, but for my listeners today, only $170. Call now, 281-343-3632. That's 281-343-3632.
Missed part of today's radio show? No problem. Go to checkapro.com to hear the podcast of all our radio programs. Checkapro.com.
Winter has arrived. I've heard that we're going to have a cold winter here in Houston. After the hottest summer on record, we need to be prepared for that next big freeze. Check Pro Joe here. I have a solution for your high utility bills this year. It's very simple. More attic insulation. My friends from Easy Attic Solutions can solve your comfort problems, and it all starts in the attic with more insulation. Just call my friend Adam Greer at 281-936-0559. That's 281-936-0559. Or simply go to easyatticpros.com.
Hi guys, Checker Pro Joe here. Do you have gas lights, a gas grill, or outdoor fire features? Let me introduce you to my friend, Russell Metzler from Gas Product Services. Russell can help with all of your gas needs. Call Russell for an annual tune-up. If your flames are diminishing or flickering, it's time to have them serviced. From Katy to Baytown, the Woodlands to Pearland, Gas Product Services can help. Call my friend Russell today at 281-408-4154. That's 281-408-4154.
Here we are back on the Checker Pro Radio Show. We're talking about a guillotine. It's really, I guess, your garage door if you're not careful. Checker Pro Joe here with my friend Cody Johnson from Garage Door Doctor. His number, 281-343-3632. If you've just tuned in, you're going to hear in a moment the end of the caution of disengaging your garage door. So here I am loose telling people what to do, and Cody's having a fit saying, well, before you do that. But before Cody finishes his story on the garage door disengagement with the guillotine, his number, 281-343-3632. Why his phone number? Because you can get a free garage door inspection. Now only 4 of my listeners will get this because we started off with 8. We gave away 4. There's only 4 left. No obligation. Call now, 281-343-3632. Also, you can get a lube and tune with new rollers. The regular price is $325. Today, now, only $170. Once again, only 4 of you are going to get it. Here's the phone number, 281-343-3632. 281-343-3632. Okay, we're talking about pulling the cord, which disengages the door from the garage door opener. A number of things can happen. If the door is up, it could come slamming down. If the door is down, it's not so bad.
You're okay on the down.
Might be hard to get up, but go ahead.
I just needed to clarify that. So
I'll make sure it's down first.
Yeah.
Yes.
So in general, we should not be disengaging the door from the opener when the door is all the way in the open position. If we do, potentially if the spring is broken, or even if the door is just heavy. If it's just heavy, like 10, 15, 20 pounds, that's no big deal. It is. Your door will get torn apart, or your opener will break. But more importantly, let's say the kids disengage it, the power's out. Door was open, though. You disengage it and the door is heavy, it's going to slam down. If you think about this, this is a metal or wood moving object. Some doors have glass in it. So this is a moving wall that will slam down just with the physics. And it is literally like a guillotine. And you got to be careful. Now, I don't live in fear or anything like that, but if you disengage it, don't disengage it in the open position is the answer with that. Sorry. In the down position, when the door is fully down, you are safe to pull the red cord and try to lift the door up. So if the power is out or there's an issue, lightning strike took out the opener, okay, door's down, disengage, you can lift the door up, get your cars out, close it, and we go from there. I just needed to clarify that for everybody.
This is why Checker Pro Joe is not a certified, qualified garage door technician. That's why we have Cody Johnson and his team. But it's true, you really need to be careful. The door shouldn't, though, in all fairness, shouldn't come crashing down unless there's a problem. But
correct.
Just to make sure, let's have that garage door down before you disengage it. Let's talk a little bit about what that cord is. It's often a red cord. It might have a little bit of a handle on it that may have fallen off or broken off. But a properly installed garage door has that. as a safety feature, really, right?
Yes, it's an entrapment. It's an entrapment cord, basically. So if you're inside the garage and you need to get out, that's the way you get out. Here's a little added value for everybody. Sometimes I've seen where people leave that emergency red cord. Let's say it's 5 feet off the ground. So if your opener's 8 feet in the air or something, it's hanging down. If you have a tall vehicle with a luggage rack, it can get caught on your luggage rack, or you can close your side door into that red cord. And then when you're backing out of the garage, you disengaged it accidentally and you run right into your door. We do this job every single day.
Oh, goodness.
So if it's there, move it up. Don't cut it off. Don't cut it completely off. You need this. I mean, a lot of times us guys, we think about, I don't need it. I can reach the lever that it's tied to. Well, can your kids reach it? Can your wife reach it? You need to have it there so grandma coming over can disengage it if need be. Okay, it is there for a safety reason, but I just want to make it clear that, we need that door working smooth. And let's be honest, Joe, most people don't see us until it's already broken, which is, now you can't control anything. The client is you're out of control on that scenario. Whereas, like, if you can be preemptive, you can control if or when you want to do something before it breaks. But once it's broken, you're done. It is what it is. And now we have to see what we have, here's your options. What do you want to do? But then you're inconvenienced with missing work, not being able to go to the kids' school play or whatever it is. And that's why we should be doing tune-ups every year.
On a regular basis,
One thing that's new since maybe a couple months ago, Joe, is we added memberships. We have memberships that clients can choose to do. You don't have to, but you can choose to do either a monthly or a yearly membership as part of our service of whatever we're already there for. And we'll come back every year and do an annual tune-up. And also it extends their labor out from, 30 days or 6 months, whatever our labor warranty on the service we did. It'll extend it out for life as long as you're a member, and we'll do annual tune-ups as part of that. And the purpose of the annual tune-up is to come back and be able to do the inspection. Like even if we change the springs kind of break in a little bit, like when you wear a pair of shoes or a baseball glove or something, right?
Yep.
And it's time for us to add a little attention to it. So just FYI.
It's not like get it done and leave it. It's
Correct.
Something that needs to be maintained. I talk about this all the time. Same thing with an air conditioning system and your heating system, so the HVAC system. Some things can go longer. Now, a plumber may not agree with this, but I don't believe you need your pipes and your walls maintained every 6 months. Those are meant to be there for a longer period of time without maintenance. But a water softener and a water heater require maintenance. And your furnace and your air conditioning system do. Your car does, your motorcycle, your swimming pool. So the garage door is not any different. Great deal today, everybody. Now 3 of you, because that's all we have left, Cody. We gave away 5 out of the 8.
Wow.
Yeah, I did math, and the math tells me 3. I know I'm pretty good. 3 left of the free garage door inspection. There's no obligation. I'm just saying this. It's not going to cost you anything. Just make a phone call. 281-343-3632. That's 281-343-3632. Garage Door Doctor is a pre-qualified home service company at checkapro.com. But wait, there is more. Not only do you get a no-obligation free garage door inspection, but you can get a lube and tune with new rollers, not for the regular price of $325, but now for only $170. That's right, only $170. So really all wrapped into one for the $170, Cody. They're getting a lube and tune with new rollers and the garage door inspection, which is the 29-point safety inspection.
Yeah, absolutely. One thing I would ask that I've seen a few times, and it's hard for our people that are answering the phones to kind of keep up with everything. We ask a lot of them. We really do. So just tell them on the phone, like when you call in, and saying, hey, I heard you guys on Check It Pro Radio. I want the 170 roller tune-up deal. They'll just type it into the notes for our text to go out. We've had a couple small issues where we had a couple newer CSRs and they weren't aware of that.
Yeah.
So just inform them. They'll type the notes in. We'll take good care of you. Whatever it is, we're going to make it right. That's why we have as many 5-star reviews as we do. So
only 3 left. Call now, 281-343-3632, 281-343-3632. How many 5-star reviews do you have?
Well, on just one of my Google locations, it's over 2,500. So,
Oh my goodness.
yeah, we have quite a bit. We strive for 5. It's that's our goal. Our technicians should be asking. Maybe some of y'all can call back in and report back on them. They should be asking, did we provide you a 5-star service?
Yeah.
And that's our ultimate goal. It sounds kind of weird, but when we're coaching them and when it's funny when I'm hiring these guys, I'm like, I need you to be a champion for us.
Mm-hmm.
I need you to care more about the client than the client cares about themselves. And it's a different perspective. You're like, what? I'm here for a job. No. This is a career. This can change your life. This can change your family's life if you do this job correctly, the way we do this. But the thing is, our job is to care about the client. And that's really what helps. And most of our clients are open to that. Some are landlords and stuff, and they're like, just fix it. That's cool. No problems. But
Yeah.
it's a different way to operate than even what we did maybe 20 years ago. We always cared about the client, but we're trying to go overboard showing how much we care.
You guys are excellent with customer service. 281-343-3632. 281-343-3632. The 29-point safety inspection. Cover a few of those points.
All right. So we'll start with a few of these. All right. So of course we're going to check the rollers, but since we're already there, don't you worry. We're doing the roller tune-up for 170, but we'll inspect the bottom rubber. So if you've got a bunch of pests, or when the guys, mow the yards, there's a lot of leaves and grass getting inside the garage, we can change the bottom rubber. Check it out. Is it shrunk 6 inches on either side? So, open the garage door with the garage door opener and look at the bottom rubber. Is it rock hard? This thing should almost be like a pillow. It should be kind of cushiony.
Pliable.
Pliable. It's rubber, right? So, and a lot of times after about 5 to 7, definitely after 10 years, it's getting rock hard and it's chipping away. Some of them will shrink from left to right. They'll just kind of shrink towards the middle. Some of them are just broken off. So if that's the case, we can change the bottom rubber and get it where the door is kind of hitting a nice little pillow while it goes down. But more importantly, sealing as best as possible. Understand, in Houston, not all the concrete's level. We're not concrete workers and stuff, but we can make the door seal as best as possible. On the outside, most clients here have kind of a wood opening on the outside of the garage door, and they might have wood trim. Well, we can put on vinyl trim that will seal against the door, and so that way there's less air gaps and light gaps to come in. So if you've got an insulated door, and if you don't, call us, we can put one in. But if you have an insulated door or you just want less light gaps and air gaps, we can put vinyl trim on. We'll inspect the hinges. Are there any cracks? We're going to, of course, listen for noise, rollers or bearings and stuff like that. Is your cables frayed? We're going to weigh the door. We talked about that earlier, how important it is for the door to be correctly balanced. That's the muscle. So, a lot of people think the opener is the muscle. It's not. The springs are the muscle of the door. Your door can weigh anywhere from, say, 120 pounds to, I've seen a couple 18 by 8 wood overlays that weigh over 800 pounds. Think about that. So those springs are actually the muscle of the door. We'll check the cables that can fray. The cables are like the tendons of the garage door, so it spreads the strength out from the springs. So we'll check all that out. We're gonna listen to your opener, see if it's operating correctly. A lot of people have a chain drive and there's a gear and sprocket. Well, we're going to inspect that gear and sprocket and we'll make sure it's fine. If it is, great. You got your red, yellow, and green. Green means good. Okay. Yellow means it's coming. Red means it's done.
And that's great too, because you know what to expect. Yeah. So if it's a yellow, you can make a decision to replace now so you don't have to worry about it. But if you don't, that yellow means you're going to be calling Garage Door Doctor at some point when it suddenly fails.
Absolutely. Absolutely. And, let's just say the best case scenario, you get all greens and, hey, you're good to go. Here's a sticker. Call us every year for a tune-up, right? Worst case scenario, you get a lot of reds. Well, the technician will do his job. You just talk to him and he'll go over some options. You don't have to change everything that's red. He'll list out the biggest safety concerns and you just do whatever's in your budget if you want.
If you want. Again,
it's not us. There's no high pressure here. It's just our job is, once our name goes on it, we're liable. We might ask you to sign a liability waiver because our sticker's on the door. Like, hey,
Yeah.
you wouldn't let us do anything, that's fine. But, our job is to present to you what's good, what's bad, and what's kind of wearing out.
We're running out of time, and we're running out of offers, everybody, to get your free garage door inspection. Only 2 of these left. Call now, 281-343-3632. Get your free garage door inspection. There is no obligation. You can get a lube and tune with brand new rollers for your garage door, not for $325, but for only $170 today. Okay? No obligation, guys. Call now, 281-343-3632. We'll be giving it the phone number when we get back after the break as well. Cody and I will be right back right after this.
Check Pro Joe here for my friends at Garage Door Doctor. Since 1987, Cody and his father, his brother, his mother, and his entire family have been serving you here in Houston. Get your free garage door inspection. It's a 29-point no-obligation inspection. Call now, 281-343-3632. That's 281-343-3632. For a limited time, take advantage of their lube and tune with new rollers. Regular price $250, but for my listeners today, only $170. Call now, 281-343-3632. That's 281-343-3632.
Missed part of today's radio show? No problem. Go to checkapro.com to hear the podcast of all our radio programs. Checkapro.com.
Winter has arrived. I've heard that we're going to have a cold winter here in Houston. After the hottest summer on record, we need to be prepared for that next big freeze. Check Pro Joe here. I have a solution for your high utility bills this year. It's very simple. More attic insulation. My friends from Easy Attic Solutions can solve your comfort problems, and it all starts in the attic with more insulation. Just call my friend Adam Greer at 281-936-0559. That's 281-936-0559. Or simply go to EasyAtticPros.com.
Hi guys, Checker Pro Joe here. Do you have gas lights, a gas grill, or outdoor fire features? Let me introduce you to my friend, Russell Metzler from Gas Product Services. Russell can help with all of your gas needs. Call Russell for an annual tune-up. If your flames are diminishing or flickering, it's time to have them serviced. From Katy to Baytown, the Woodlands to Pearland, Gas Product Services can help. Call my friend Russell today at 281-408-4154. That's 281-408-4154.
And back here on Checker Pro Radio, I love what I do. I'm Checker Pro Joe, helping you find pre-qualified home service providers. And we have one right here in the studio, Cody Johnson. For those of you who need his phone number, I'm going to give it out again right now, 281-343-3632. Get your free garage door inspection. There's no obligation. Call now, 281-343-3632. We also talked about the lube and tune with brand new rollers for your garage door. Ordinarily $325. Not today. I shook him upside down by his ankles, which is very hard because he's much taller than I am. Sorry for the bump on your head. Only $170 though, now $325. Only $170. I saw the dimes, nickels, and pennies coming out of your pockets. And I'm like, we're going to get every last dime out of you, pal, for our listeners. Only $170 for the lube tune with new rollers from Garage Door Doctor. But if nothing else, get your free garage door inspection, 281-343-3632. We talked about maintenance. We talked about lubes, tunes, rollers. Let's talk about new doors. What can you do to help people?
Sure, absolutely. Well, a couple things here. So, your average builder grade contractor door might last 7 to 15 years. So if you're over that, it's time to start budgeting for a new door. Doesn't mean we can't fix parts as they break. Of course we can. But if you're past 7 to 15 years old, and there's some builder grade doors that are even worse than that, then it might be time to start considering a new door. So for your knowledge, Jim, last time I was reading the Remodeler magazine, garage doors is 102% return on investment. And that's what it is. It is an investment. The garage door is about 40 to 45% of the face of your home. It's the smile of your home, and And so when you're driving up and your door has all that faded paint, the door's rusty, the door's cracked and dented from the kids using it as a basketball backstop there almost.
Exactly, yeah.
I've seen, even in Houston, I've seen some people use it as a hockey backstop too. But if the door isn't pretty or is dented and is torn apart, it's time to replace it. You're going to get 102% on your investment, which means you're going to gain money by changing the door on your investment there.
And be happier in the meantime.
Yeah, absolutely. We can, for most of our clients, assuming that, all their credit checks out, we do offer promotions. One of our promotions is you can get a garage door system starting from about $50 a month. We can get you into an insulated steel back door, which is going to be much more rigid than the contractor grade pan door, where you can keep your winters warmer and your summers cooler inside the garage and make the home much more energy efficient. We can install doors with what we call a structural integrity package, which has extra bracing on the inside. For our wind load areas, we can, of course, do wind loaded garage doors too. So I just wanted to kind of bring that to everybody's attention. We've got spring and summer coming up pretty soon. I would say last year's real estate market probably wasn't the best because the interest rates were going kind of skyrocketing. So there's a lot of people that are going to be on the move here, and they're going to need to get their houses fixed up, and we can fix it up for you. There's no need to. Why fix it up before you move? Why not just fix it up so you can actually enjoy it and you actually pick on what you want, or more importantly, what your wife wants, right? Like, we don't always have to just get the bare minimum of everything. Let's go get something that we can have some pride in, and we're happy, and we say, yeah, hey man, I spent some money on this, but it was reasonable. They helped me with some payment plans. We also have a $400 off coupon for new doors.
Oh my gosh, the deals are crazy. $400 off on a new door, a free garage door inspection, a lube and tune with new rollers, only $170 versus the $325.
Yes, sir.
At the end of the show, we only have one of these offers left, okay? Call now, 281-343-3632. That's Cody's number at Garage Door Doctor, 281-343-3632. Thanks for coming in.
Thank you.
Check-A-Pro Joe here for my friends at Garage Door Doctor. Since 1987, Cody and his father, his brother, his mother, and his entire family have been serving you here in Houston. Get your free garage door inspection. It's a 29-point no-obligation inspection. Call now, 281-343-3632. That's 281-343-3632. For a limited time, take advantage of their lube and tune with new rollers. Regular price $250, but for my listeners today, only $170. Call now, 281-343-3632. That's 281-343-3632.
Missed part of today's radio show? No problem. Go to checkapro.com to hear the podcast of all our radio programs. Checkapro.com.
Winter has arrived. I've heard that we're going to have a cold winter here in Houston. After the hottest summer on record, we need to be prepared for that next big freeze. Check-A-Pro Joe here. I have a solution for your high utility bills this year. It's very simple. More attic insulation. My friends from Easy Attic Solutions can solve your comfort problems, and it all starts in the attic with more insulation. Just call my friend Adam Greer at 281-936-0559. That's 281-936-0559. Or simply go to EasyAtticPros.com.
Hi guys, Check-A-Pro Joe here. Do you have gas lights, a gas grill, or outdoor fire features? Let me introduce you to my friend, Russell Metzler from Gas Product Services. Russell can help with all of your gas needs. Call Russell for an annual tune-up. If your flames are diminishing or flickering, it's time to have them serviced. From Katy to Baytown, the Woodlands to Pearland, Gas Product Services can help. Call my friend Russell today at 281-408-4154. That's 281-408-4154.